think so far. This place is absolutely crazy. So I'm running around inside real quick. It's kind of cool because they didn't overstuff it in here. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep on going. There's just a ton of everything here today. I'm super stoked about what we're seeing so far. I'm almost done, so you know, like, it's time to go. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep shooting some more of these. Man, more and more cars keep showing up. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna keep running through this place, and today I think we're gonna get a 2-for-1 in, and I'm gonna go from here to another spot. But again, you guys, let me know what you think. I'm gonna keep pumping this content out. Man, this place is just absolutely incredible today, and all right, we'll keep going. what you thought. We're gonna get out of here. I got another one to head to, so we're gonna dip. But today was absolutely crazy. So comment down below. Stay tuned. I got another one coming out. Again, it's gonna be another busy weekend. They're trying to hit at least 3 events this weekend. Last weekend was 4. So just straight dropping this content for you guys. But anyways, let me know what y'all think. Comment, subscribe, like, and I'll keep hitting these shows for you. All right, guys, I'm headed to the next one. See ya.